1343 Victory update video. You see, we got this painted. They got to come back, and they're gonna. The weather just hasn't been permitting, but they're gonna come back and do that. As far as the paint back there, let's go inside. So he's supposed to come over and spray this weekend on that, on the tiles and everything. So we should be good there next week. And again, you know, there's all the flooring that needs to be put in. That's ready to go. New vanity, new toilet. This is all getting sprayed and replaced. The fixtures, he does have the flooring in there. So that's nice. And then again, we got all this here. So plugs and switches and lights are all in. Blinds. You got some door hardware to put in, but that's it. So here's all this, and they're going to start putting the flooring in, I believe, next week. So we'll get that, and there's our door handles and all that good stuff. Let's go upstairs here. So you can see you got the rest of the flooring done here. So all this is nice and tiled. You see here, lights, plugs, switches, paint, everything's done. This. So let's go down here, and they pretty much all the plumbing was. I'll show you the bathroom. They got that going. All this has been filled in with cement. All this is good. And I'll go back there later when we get some more stuff done, but here's the vanity for that. But here's your bathroom. So as you can see, it's getting nice and built. So everything's put in correctly. There's a shower, or there's your shower pan. So that's your shower. And this is your vanity, and this is your toilet. So again, this is a really, really good update, and we'll get with you next week, but I'm hoping to have this thing done very close to next week. This is Brett, Key Realty, 216-703-5740. Any questions, let me know. Thanks.